We interrupt our programming. This is a global emergency. Important instructions will follow. The following message is being transmitted at the request of the National Aeronautics and Space Administration and the United States government. This is not a test. Repeating, this is not a test. At 9 p.m. Central Daylight Time, NASA has confirmed that the Sun has died and it will explode within the next 3 hours, generating a massive supernova that will generate lethal gamma-ray bursts. These gamma-ray bursts will vaporize everything on Earth, and whatever is left will be sucked into the black hole generated by the supernova. There is nothing we can do to avoid this colossal event, so this will be humanity's saddest moment as our world is coming to an end. There is no place to escape from this cataclysmic event. There is no reason to stay calm. Go into panic mode. All residents in the United States, gather anyone you know or care about and pray together as we prepare to face certain extinction along with all of life on Earth. There is hope for eternal life in heaven, so it is strongly encouraged that you comfort anyone you care about with the fact that we will see each other in heaven once we perish. All broadcast radio, television, and weather radio stations will now sign off for the final time. We now conclude the final activation of the emergency alert system.